Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for physiology in medical school. To truly master this subject, start by grasping the fundamental concepts before diving into intricate details. Active learning is key. Consistently challenge yourself with practice questions and clinical case studies. Employ spaced repetition techniques, reviewing material at increasing intervals to solidify your understanding. By linking physiological principles to real-world medical situations, you'll enhance both recall and application, making your study time much more effective. Choosing the right resources is crucial for success in physiology. Combine your primary textbooks and lecture notes with supplementary online videos and question banks. Visual learners benefit greatly from creating detailed flowcharts and diagrams to map out intricate physiological pathways. Group study sessions offer an excellent opportunity to discuss challenging concepts and teach material to peers, which significantly deepens your own understanding. Don't forget flashcards for efficient memorization of essential terms and mechanisms. Physiology doesn't exist in isolation. It's deeply interconnected with other medical sciences. Strive to integrate your physiological knowledge with anatomy, biochemistry, and pharmacology to see the bigger picture. Actively practice applying these principles to various clinical scenarios, understanding how normal function deviates in disease states. This approach helps you grasp the why behind symptoms and therapeutic interventions. Consistent review of earlier topics ensures you build a robust and interconnected understanding of the human body. Beyond study techniques, your overall well-being significantly impacts your learning capacity. Prioritize getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, as this is vital for memory consolidation and cognitive performance. Regular physical activity, even just 30 minutes daily, can boost focus and reduce stress. Incorporate mindfulness or relaxation practices to manage the demands of medical school. Finally, a balanced diet provides the sustained energy you need to tackle challenging physiological concepts effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.